friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to Mimi's Mixed Bag. I am primarily a craft channel. However, I do share beauty, home decor, recipes, whatever I find interesting to share. So if you like today's project, I would appreciate it if you'd hit that subscribe button and you won't miss upcoming projects on a weekly basis. But today I'm participating in Hillary of Old World Home, her $5 Goodwill challenge. It's been around for years. I'm a veteran participant, but if you don't know how it works, you spend $5 thrifting or yard selling and you take the item and make it over or use it as is, but you share what you did with it. So today I lucked up and my husband brought me home something free, and I tell you, I've got him trained to spot diamonds in the rough. But I'm going to take you outside and show you what he found me to work with this season. All right, I've got it laying out here in my yard because I wouldn't dare bring this in the house. But for you city slickers that have no idea what this is a hanging chicken feeder. And I am going to scrub this thing up and I'm going to make a hanging flower arrangement out of it. I think I'm going to keep it the galvanized color because I like that, and I'm going to use my Silhouette Cameo and create a stencil to put on the front. I'm not sure if this little sticker is going to come off, this oval sticker. I can't even tell what it says. I've got big plans for this ugly duckling, so stick around and I'll show you the transformation. I scrubbed this up with a Brillo pad and then I realized it wasn't near as rusty and old as I thought it was. It's actually made out of stainless steel, but my husband is going to drill out those rivets and take this lid off because that's where the flowers are going to go. And I want to take a razor blade and try to take this little sticker off. And I've got it cleaned up as well as it needs to be. This is going to be something hanging on my outdoor fence. Now, after I've got it cleaned up and I realized what was under all that gunk, the front of it is a lot more smoother than I anticipated. So instead of stenciling, I'm going to just adhere some vinyl. And if you're familiar with how vinyl works, I'm going to use the 651, which is a stronger, more permanent vinyl that will withstand weather a lot better. So I'm going to play around with my software. Not sure what I'm going to do just yet. Fresh cut flowers or something of that nature. So when I get back, I'll have my vinyl cut. All right, I have my feeder wiped down with alcohol on the front just to make sure there's no fingerprints and oil on there. And then this is the vinyl I come up with. I just Googled flower buckets and I found something image that looked like this kind of, but I rounded the flower market and established 2001. That's the year I got married, and number 310, which was March the 10th. So these numbers have a special meaning to me and bring a smile to my face. So I'm going to place the words on the feeder, and then I need to go upstairs and dig through my flower stash. All right, I should be embarrassed to show you this, but I'm up in my craft room and just wanted to prove to you what a flower stash I have. These are all from leftover projects, a bunch of single little stems. So I've got a little stack going here. I'm just going to pick and choose flowers and some greenery I have, and then I'll show you what I come up with. Friends, we're walking on my back patio, and this is my big flower bed in the back. We had a big storm last night, so some of my flowers had a rough night. But here's where I originally had planned to hang my planter, but I realized after I made it, it was so colorful, I stuck it here on the other side of the gate. And I love it here. It really shows up. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep it here because I'm afraid that the rainwater will collect and it's not going to last long. So I have a place under my back door that may be a better place if I can get my husband to put a couple masonry nails in the brick. So we'll see, but I love the look of it, the cascading greenery. But you could achieve something very similar if you found an old metal box or an old mailbox or something like that. It certainly doesn't look like the nasty chicken feeder he brought home. So I hope you enjoyed this transformation, and be sure and check out the other participants. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.